Hey, see fat boys, we know they ever fat. We know sabi book, but we know they carry last. We they bring comedy where you they like it. So follow who know that will become fast. Fat boy mixes with the grandpa. Outside, it's always in the pampas.
Oh, almost see skin the way they like her.
Guys, Sean, they listen to Sean.
Now she they smell so. Now she just smell pass now. Down a weekend. When I don't feel open and tell the girl say she they smell. You know say if you tell her the truth, there's a way you present it to her, she go love you. Baba that girl get pride.
Guys, Sean, he
dey go.
Sean, you don't need.
Fine girl. I want to tell you something.
Please, keep it to yourself. Yeah! What kind of insult is this? You just see someone you stop. Don't you have respect?
No, I want.
Shh. Do I look like your class? Just look at you. Nonsense. Smelling tea.
You think say they why?
Lekela mutoi, shiamoba, semena we. Yo yo yo, yo 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 yo, yo 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 yo. Yo yo yo, yo 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 yo, yo 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 yo.
You think say they why?